Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Mom and Sir. I'm Catherine Abrasaldo Timbangan, 32 years old, from Bayawan City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. Finished a degree in Bachelor of Secondary Education. I have two kids, ages 9 years old and 4 years old.
Okay, where did you finish your degree in education?
I finished my degree in education at Negros Oriental State University, Bayawan, Santa Catalina campus.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and I'm only one girl.
Okay, do you have any experience as a housemaid before?
Yes, I have an experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 4 years. Serving a family of 6 includes a couple, 2 adults, a 9 years old boy, and 4 months old baby.
Okay, so what are your job duties in the house of your previous employer? Is your employer is Filipino or Chinese?
My employer is Chinese. My duties are cooking, cleaning the house, organizing things, washing, and ironing.
Did you taking care of the newborn baby there on your employer's house?
Yes.
So if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I try to keep him or her calm. I want to find ways to stop him or her crying.
So what will you do when they cry?
I will check a temperature and I will check a diaper.
Okay. So if the children in your employer house is very naughty, what will you do?
I give a patient to them. I give a song or I want to play with him or her.
Okay. So do you love teaching children?
Yeah, I love teaching the children.
Okay. So why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come in Hong Kong because I want to earn money just for my family needs and to earn money for my kids' future.
Okay. Who will take care of your kids when you work in Hong Kong?
The one who take care of my kids is my husband and my parents.
Okay. So when you work in Hong Kong, so you cannot avoid to feel homesick. So what will you do to ease your homesick?
I will treat my employees as my family.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, when you work there, if the baby or children is sick, what will you do?
If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature first. Then I tell the parents. Then if what the parents' decision, they go to in the hospital for the check up.
Okay. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No.
Okay. Do you have dogs and cats in your house?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any allergy in food or in the detergent or what? Do you have?
No, I don't have any allergies.
So do you not have any allergies? So you eat everything, right?
Yes.
So what food can you cook?
I cook Filipino food. That's it.
Okay. In your previous employer, do you cook Chinese food?
Yes, I steam fish and steam vegetables.
And sometimes you cook soup there?
Yes.
Okay. So can you sing a baby song?
Yes. I can hear with my ear, I can see with my eyes, I can taste with my mouth, I can smell with my nose.
Okay, thank you. So in Hong Kong, if there's other person, are you willing to take care? So in your employer house, can you willing to take care?
Yes, I am willing to take of them. Take of them.
Okay, if there is a car, the employer do your car washing without extra pay, it's okay for you?
Yes.
Okay, what can you promise na tulman in Hong Kong?
Pardon?
Can you promise na tulman in Hong Kong? Do you have tattoo on your body?
Yes, a minimal tattoo.
Which part?
At left hand.
Okay, that's the only tattoo on your body?
Yes.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please hire me as your helper because I am an honest person, loyal, religious, trustworthy, and hardworking. I hope that you hired me as your helper because I can promise to do the best, the responsibility.
Can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, I can promise to finish my contract.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.